But one stock that is hot today definitely is Godrej Properties. Now they announced a launch of a project in Gurgaon. This project is called Godrej Summit. It's a joint venture, and they then came out with a press release that the entire inventory has been sold in one day alone. Hiral, what's going on? I mean, we thought this was a so-called slowdown market and real estate is a no-touch area. Clearly not in case of Godrej.
Yeah, but if you see, Godrej has been picking up in terms of development of projects, because recently they had created a 770 crore residential development platform, and it comprised of global investors.
Right.
So now this consortium is mainly focusing on development of projects of mid-income residential ones, and in the regions of Mumbai, NCR and Bangalore. And if you see, the first thing what they've started is they had announced a redevelopment project in Mumbai, which is in Ghatkopar, which was spread around 2.5 acres. And after that, it's NCR, it's Gurgaon now, where they have got in a project and it's a joint venture between Godrej Properties and Zara Sanya, and the project is spread across 21 acres, and it offers around 1,200 homes spread across 2 million square feet, and the apartments are ranging between 1,250 square feet to 4,500 square feet. And now that we know that the entire first phase has been sold in day one, which is around 695 flats and spread across 1 million square feet. And now Mr. Firocha also said that NCR being country's main real estate hub, they would only concentrate on NCR because as a key growth strategy for them.
Well, the problem with Bombay probably is that mid-income ends up being 2 crores or 2.5 crores. That's just how numbers in Bombay work in terms of residential housing. All right, Hiral.
Probably the next would be Bangalore, because they've started off with Mumbai, NCR, and now the third hub
maybe
is Bangalore.
Bangalore property rates, of course, far more sane is what the market report always says. Okay, let's actually listen in to Mr. Firocha Godrej, MD and CEO of Godrej Properties, outlining plans for this launch at Gurgaon and, of course, other plans for NCR.
Looking at opportunities in other markets, and should we find the right kind of project, I think we'd be quite keen to look at some other NCR sub-markets as well.
So we're also looking at the land bank in the NCR?
We don't believe really in creating a land bank. Our model is to add projects to our portfolio, to immediately start developing them and then move on to new projects. So I don't think we'd be looking at land banking as such, but certainly we're looking at new opportunities for joint ventures.
All right, quick break right now. On the other side.